Hey guys, if you're getting the app configuration unavailable error on Steam, here's a quick way to fix it step by step. Step 1. Fully close Steam. Click the arrow in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, find the Steam icon, right-click it, and choose Exit Steam to completely close it. Now open the Start menu and type Run, then open it. In the Run box, paste this path, hit Enter, and once the folder opens, delete the file named appinfo.vdf. Now launch Steam again. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Go to the Downloads tab and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm it. This will log you out, so just sign back in afterward. In your Steam library, right-click the game showing the error. Click Properties, go to Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let Steam scan and fix any missing or corrupted files. Step 5. Search for CMD, run it as administrator, and click Yes. Now type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Hit Enter again. Once all that's done, restart your computer. Now launch Steam and your game. It should be working fine. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.